Fantom at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce after bouncing on a key area of support above the 0.5319, where we have managed to break above key areas of resistances, flipping them back into support in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.8393. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key target areas that we need to pay attention to in case we get any sudden pullbacks in the next coming hours, and also discuss a potential breakout to the upside in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I will be starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where we started an aggressive bounce to the upside, and we first picked in this 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and finally we picked to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that gave us a high above the $0.79, and that 5-wave structure completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, that is this yellow target area that lies between the 0.5288 and the 0.4646, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we saw a reaction of the upper side of the target area, and there are high chances that this was the low for this wave 2, and whatever has been playing out to the upside is the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.4039. That is the minimum target area that I'm expecting this impulse to the upside to hit in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that since whatever is playing out is an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, we also need to see a 5-wave structure playing out within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, where we expect to see a wave 1, then expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, then expect a wave 3, a wave 4, and finally peak to the upside in an Elliot wave count 5. And there are high chances that whatever we have on the chart is an impulse to the upside in a wave 1, and in the next coming hours we are going to see a bit of a short-term corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.6853 and the 0.6486, the area that I have marked here on the chart. So there are high chances that in case in the next coming hours we see any sudden pullbacks, this is the area that we are going to fully maximize, and we also need to continue holding within the area, since the area should also act as support, get a reversal within this area and see another aggressive bounce to the upside in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that in case this breakdown move is so aggressive and we lose our target area over here and also lose our key area of support above the 0.6487, flipping it back into resistance, then I will be watching for further breakdown moves back into this yellow target area over here that lies between the 0.5288 and the 0.4646, where we can find support and maybe get another bounce back to the upside. And if that scenario plays out, then I will be terming whatever has played out over here as a ABC corrective structure before we can finally see another bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Fantom chart. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.